Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to collaborate with external business partners while ensuring data is secure and easily accessible across Syncplicity web and mobile applications. For today's demonstration, we're going to share a contract with a customer while requesting supporting materials required for our negotiations. Using the Syncplicity web application, I will select the folder I want my customer to have access to and add them as an editor on that folder. Since I'm also requesting they add documents to the folder, I'll choose to add a message. My customer will receive an email requiring them to log in or create an account, ensuring the content is secure and going to the correct person. Once logged in, my customer has the ability to make any changes or revisions to the document I shared and add the materials I requested to the folder they have access to. The same process is also easily accomplished on the Syncplicity mobile application for iOS and Android. Through my Syncplicity account, I can see the materials my customer uploaded to the folder we're working in together. Going back to that folder, I can also manage their access and view anyone else with access to that folder. Should we stop working together or that person leaves the company, I can ensure my content is secure by removing them as an editor. Keep in mind that folder sharing in Syncplicity works on a cascading permissions model. For example, I added my customer at the top level of folders with following subfolders and content, giving them editor access to all of those subsequent folders. If I remove them at the top level, access to this folder and the content within it is removed. Less secure file sharing platforms like OneDrive only provide basic sharing capabilities or require end users to incorporate additional methods for collaboration, reducing efficiencies. For more information on how you can securely collaborate with business partners outside your enterprise using Syncplicity, go to syncplicity.com and click on the Contact tab.